where US people mostly invest their money. The United States is a land of opportunities, not only for its citizens but also for their money they have earned. When it comes to financial matters, Americans are known for their diverse investment choice. For traditional avenues like real estate and stock market to the modern trends like cryptocurrency, US people have an array of options to grow their wealth.
Welcome to Travel Visa Tales, where we embark on captivating journeys around the world. If you find our videos inspiring, be sure to show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing our channel.
There are different types of investment for US peoples. We will discuss in this video. Please stay with us. Real estate investment. One of the most common ways that people in the USA invest their money is in the real estate. The appeal of real estate lies in its steady growth over the years. Real estate investments offer not only potential appreciation but also a significant tax benefits. Owning a property can be a long-term financial strategy, securing your financial future. Number 2 is stock market investment. The stock market is another popular destination for American investors. It is a platform where individuals can diversify their portfolio, allowing for the wealth growth over the time. However, the stock market comes with its own set of risks and rewards. The key to the success is careful research, staying informed, and being prepared for market fluctuations. Retirement account. US citizens often opt for the retirement accounts. These accounts offer tax advantage while encouraging long-term saving. Investing in your retirement ensures a financially secure future, allowing you to enjoy your golden years without financial worries. Cryptocurrencies. The new digital era of investment. In the digital age, cryptocurrency investment have gained a significant popularity. While they can offer high returns, they are also marked by their extreme volatility. Before investing in cryptocurrency, it is critical to understand the risk and do thorough research to make an informed decision. High-yield saving accounts. For those who prepare a safer approach to grow their money, high-yield saving accounts are a reliable option. These accounts offer higher interest rates than regular saving accounts while keeping your funds accessible and low risk. Investment in education. Investing in oneself is another strategy USA citizens follow. Gaining knowledge and skills can lead to better career opportunities and financial success. Investing in education is a long-term approach, and the results can be substantial. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms are a growing trend in the personal finance. Individuals can act as lender, providing loans to the other in exchange for their interest payments. While this method can yield decent returns, it also carries a risk due to the negligence in the curricles. Conclusion. In the world filled with the investment opportunities, US citizens are present with the multiple choice to grow their wealth. However, it is essential to make informed decisions, whether it is investing in real estate, stocks, retirement accounts, or exploring new trends like cryptocurrency, where choice has its own set of risks and rewards. Ultimately, the key to successful investment is knowledge, diversification, and as well as thought strategy. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe this video.